Hey guys, it's Nicole from the Glow Recipe team, and today I'm going to show you how to get this colorful makeup look using the Latte 2 palette from Dominique Cosmetics. Looks like this. And I'm also going to show you my double cleansing routine using the Papaya Cleansing Balm and the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, as well as show you the rest of my skincare routine. So I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Okay, let's get started. So I already have my face makeup on as well as my brows, and I have some concealer on my lids acting as my primer, so I'm going to set my lids using the shade Frothy. And then for my main eyeshadow look, I'm going to use these three shades here, and I'm getting a smaller crease brush like this, and I'm just going to pack that in my outer corner. And then I'm just going to blend out the harsh edges with a big fluffy brush like this. For the inner part of my eye, I'm going to go in with the shade Blonde Roast. And so in the middle here, it's blending into like a nice orange. And now I'm going to go in with the shade Matcha here and put that really close to my lower lash line. Okay, so the eye look is almost done, but now I'm going to highlight the inner corner using the shade Frappe. And I'm actually going to spritz my brush first with the watermelon mist just to get the shadow more pigmented. I'm also using the shade to highlight my nose. I'm going to grab my highlighting brush, spritz it with the watermelon mist, and then grab the same Frappe shade and use it to highlight my cheekbones. Okay, lashes and liner are on, and now I'm going to just put on some lipstick. And to set my face, I'm going to use the same watermelon mist. Okay, so this is it. This is my colorful look using the Latte 2 palette from Dominique Cosmetics, and now we're going to take it all off. I'm going to show you how I double cleanse. So I'm going to open the Papaya Sorbet Cleansing Balm. It looks like this. And I'm grabbing the spatula. I like to do about maybe like this much. Then I'm going to rub it in between my hands to create like a milky oil. And I'm going to start with my eye area because that's where I have the most makeup. Gone. Now I'm just going to go in with the rest of my face, massaging it into the skin for 1 full minute. Okay, now I'm going to rinse it off with warm water. So I just washed off the cleansing balm, and now I'm going to go in with my second step, which is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I'm going to go in with about like 2.5 pumps. I'm creating a lather in between my hands so it looks like this, and then cleanse my skin again. So now the makeup and all the dirt and the oil and the SPF, all of that is cleansed off. My skin feels very hydrated, very bouncy. It doesn't feel stripped or anything. So now I'm gonna go on with the rest of my skincare routine. This is the Watermelon PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. Dispense a good amount into my palms and then just pat it into my skin. Next is eye cream. I'm using the Turmeric plus Vitamin C Booster Eye Cream from our sister brand Sweet Chef. Then for my treatment step, I'm going in with the Pineapple C Bright Serum. And then to seal in all that moisture, I'm going in with the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. And then for the last step, I'm going in with the Watermelon Lip Pop to hydrate my lips.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you can shop the Glow Recipe x Dominique Cosmetics Wake Up and Makeup Set on glowrecipe.com now.